In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Best Song Ever by One Direction. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Dreams, and we danced all night to the best song ever. We knew every line. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know that I won't forget her, 'cause we danced all night to the best song. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with uke players around the world. So join the family. Just click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank Kumu Ukulele for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase this amazing concert-sized model called the CM54A. You can plug it into any amp and play. It has built-in effects such as delay, chorus, and reverb, as well as a volume knob, and it makes for a great decorative piece, as well as plays great and sounds great. So if you want to get your hands on this model, then click my link in my description box below. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Best Song Ever, and those chords are E flat major, B flat major, and F major. Now if you already know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is E flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the third fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is E flat major. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. And the last chord for the song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the E flat major chord. 1, 2, E flat major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be E flat major for the first half of the string pattern, B flat major for the second half, and then F major for one full turn of the string pattern. Let's play those elements all together now. 1 and 2, E flat major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. And now let's play the string pattern and the chord progression a little bit faster. 1, 2, E flat major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Best Song Ever. 1, 2, 1, 2. I said, can you give it back to me? She said, never in your wildest dreams. And we danced all night to the best song ever. We knew every line. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know that I won't forget her, 'cause we danced all night to the best song ever. I think it went oh, oh, oh. I think it went yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it goes. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Best Song Ever. And that's you play Best Song Ever by One Direction. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends RJ Hikes and Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to consider joining my U Crew on Patreon, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.